Hey everyone, welcome back to the car updates today. We're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Hyundai Tucson, a compact SUV that continues to impress with its bold design, advanced tech, and versatility. Whether you're looking for a stylish family hauler or a tech-savvy SUV for urban adventures, this vehicle promises a lot. So, let's explore what makes the 2025 Tucson a standout in its class. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Hyundai Tucson makes a statement from the very first glance. Hyundai has gone all out with its parametric dynamics design philosophy, and it shows. The front grille has a distinctive 3D geometric pattern that seamlessly blends into the LED headlights and daytime running lights, giving the Tucson an aggressive yet sophisticated look. The integrated turn signals are sharp and modern, emphasizing the SUV's futuristic appeal. Moving along the side profile, the sculpted body lines create a dynamic sense of motion even when the car is standing still. The bold character lines and flared wheel arches give it a muscular stance, and the available 19-inch alloy wheels add a touch of sportiness. Roof rails and chrome accents complete the sleek yet rugged look, making the Tucson perfect for city drives or weekend adventures. At the rear, the distinctive full-width LED tail light bar is eye-catching, and the hidden rear wiper adds to the clean, streamlined appearance. Now, let's jump inside and check out the interior of the 2025 Hyundai Tucson. As soon as you step in, you're greeted by a modern, high-tech cabin designed for comfort and convenience. Hyundai has clearly focused on a minimalist yet futuristic approach. The dual cockpit layout feels driver-centric, and the use of soft-touch materials throughout the cabin elevates the premium feel. At the center of the dashboard, you'll find a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with support for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Hyundai's Blue Link connected car services. The interface is intuitive, with a split-screen feature that lets you multitask effortlessly. Just below it, the touch-sensitive climate control panel replaces traditional knobs and buttons, adding to the high-tech vibe. The 12.3-inch digital driver's display is sharp and customizable, providing vital information like navigation, safety alerts, and vehicle status. You'll appreciate the convenience of the wireless charging pad and USB ports for all passengers. The cabin is spacious, offering plenty of headroom and legroom even in the rear seats. Hyundai's SmartSense safety suite brings features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning, all standard on most trims. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Tucson offers a variety of powertrains to suit different driving preferences. The base model comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, producing 187 horsepower and 178 lb-ft of torque, a solid balance of power and efficiency. For those looking for more power and efficiency, there's a 1.6-liter turbocharged hybrid variant that pairs an electric motor with a gasoline engine for a combined 226 horsepower and impressive fuel economy. If you're after performance, the plug-in hybrid variant takes it up a notch with a 1.6-liter turbo engine, delivering a total output of 261 horsepower and standard all-wheel drive. The H-Track all-wheel drive system ensures stability and confidence on various terrains, and the multi-terrain control modes, including snow, mud, and sand, make it a versatile companion for any adventure. Driving the Tucson is a breeze, thanks to Hyundai's refined suspension system that soaks up bumps and offers a smooth, composed ride. The electric power steering feels responsive, and the SUV handles corners with confidence. Noise insulation is commendable, making for a quiet and comfortable cabin even at highway speeds. Now let's talk price. The 2025 Hyundai Tucson offers excellent value for money. The base SE trim starts around $28,000, providing a wealth of standard features. The SEL trim offers more tech and comfort, while the limited trim packs luxury features like ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a premium Bose audio system for around $38,000. The hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants start around $32,000 and $41,000 respectively, which is competitive given the extra power and fuel efficiency. So, who is the 2025 Hyundai Tucson for? It's a perfect choice for families, urban explorers, and tech enthusiasts who want a stylish, feature-packed SUV without breaking the bank. It brings a lot to the table: eye-catching looks, a spacious and tech-rich cabin, impressive safety features, and versatile performance options. Hyundai has truly set a high standard in the compact SUV segment with the 2025 Tucson. And there you have it, an in-depth look at the 2025 Hyundai Tucson. What do you think of this new model? Are you excited about its bold design and advanced features? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.